Hello, I am Nuandi Salinati. I am creating this video to explain about our research and my research component. The research we have done is a decision support system for newly recruited doctors in rural and remote areas in Sri Lanka. This system is designed as a helping hand for the new doctors to make a diagnosis. In an emergency situation or a hectic time, this system will provide an advantage to the doctors to make an accurate diagnosis. The system has four main components: a knowledge base, where the knowledge is stored; an inference engine, where the knowledge base is inferred and queried, which is done by me; a clustered database, where the audios, videos, and documents related to medical domain is stored; and the NLP-supported user interface, which is designed to make the system more user-friendly. A newly recruited doctor can interact with the system by entering the symptoms of the patient to NLP-supported user interface using the keyboard. Then the inference engine will query the knowledge base and display the most matching disease. If the doctor needs more details about the disease, he can search the clustered database or access PubMed through the system. An engineer can captured from the domain experts and keep the knowledge base up to date using rules. It will be inferred and stored in the knowledge base. To do the inference and make rules, we used Jira, a Java framework. Inference engine will infer the Jira rules and create new knowledge, and this knowledge will be stored in the knowledge base. This is where the reasoner is called. Generic rule reasoner is the rule reasoner used in Jira. To find the matching disease symptoms given by the doctor, Sparkle query language is used. Sparkle will query the knowledge base to find the matching output. Sparkle can be queried data that are stored in RDF or OWL format. Sparkle sees data as a directed labeled graph that is internally expressed as triples, consisting of subject, predicate, and object. There are four types of Sparkle queries: ask, construct, and describe. Here we have used a select query to query the knowledge base. Which will give the output for the inputs that are given by the doctors. Thank you.